In the last session, we have solved up to problem number 5A in the exercise 9.3. Now we are going to solve 5B and 5C. 5B says which term of this sequence, here is one sequence given to us, that is root 3, 3, 3 root 3. We can check, first of all we need to check whether it is in AP or GP. Common ratio A is equal to root 3, that is fixed. Common ratio R is equal to, you check, that is A2 by A1, 3 by root 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Yes, that yes cancels. R is also equal to root 3. To check whether it is in AP or GP, you take the ratio between these two terms also. 3 get cancels, root 3. Therefore, it is in GP. Which term is 729? Means it is AN given to you, 729. N is equal to question mark. Using the formula for nth term, AN is equal to A into n to the power of n minus 1. Substitute these quantities. N is equal to AN is equal to 729. A is root 3. R is also root 3. Whole to the power of n minus 1. Here root 3 to the power 1 will be there. It is like a raised to m into a raised to n. Nothing but a raised to m plus n. So I can write here root 3 to the power of 1 plus n minus 1. Means root 3 to the power of n. This root 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 1 by 2. Whole to the power of n. Means 3 to the power of n by 2 it is. 729 also we should write in terms of 3 to the power of something. What is 729? 3 raised to 4 we know, that is 81. If you multiply with 9, it is 9 into 729. 9 1 is 9, 9 8 is 72. Means 3 raised to 4 into 3 square is equal to 3 raised to 6. 3 square, 3 raised to 4, 81. 3 square, 9. 729 we are getting. Means this 729 can be written as 3 raised to 6. Both sides you see, bases are same, exponents has to be equal. 6 is equal to n by 2, multiplying n is equal to 12. That means what? That means 12th term of the sequence, 12th term of the sequence is 729. That is about problem number 5B. Problem number 5C I have written here. Again, same thing. Which term of the sequence 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 is 19683. Here A is equal to 1 by 3, R is equal to A2 by A1, 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. This can be written as 1 by 9 into 3 by 1. Again 3 1s are 3 3s are. This is 1 by 3. R is equal to 1 by 3, A is equal to 1 by 3. N, which term of the sequence? Means n I have to calculate. AN is given, that is 1 by 19683. Okay. Using the formula, using AN is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. AN you write 1 by 19683, which is equal to A is 1 by 3, R is also 1 by 3, whole to the power of n minus 1. 1 by 19683, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1. 1 by 19683 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power of 1 plus n minus 1 means 3 raised to n. If you cross multiply, this becomes 3 raised to n is equal to 19683. 3 raised to n is equal to this 19683. You should write in the form 3 to the power of something. 3 to the power of something you write, that will be the answer. See, 3 raised to 6 is equal to 729. Already I know. 3 raised to 6 it is into 729 729 into 27 you multiply. That means 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 3. It is 3 raised to 9. 729 means 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 3 means 27. 729 into 27. I am getting 19683. So 3 raised to 9. Okay, cross it. 3 raised to 9. 3 is getting multiplied 9 times. Again, both side bases are same. N is equal to 9. I am getting. Means ninth term of the sequence. Ninth term of the sequence is how much? 1 by 19683. Fine. This is about problem number 5C. Going to problem number 6 in the exercise 9.3. Problem number 6 says, for what values of x, for what values of x, the numbers minus 2 by 7, comma x, comma minus 7 by 2 are in GP. What are the values of x which makes these three terms are in GP is the question here. They have given you minus 2 by 7, comma x, comma minus 7 by 2 are in GP. They are in GP. What do you mean by GP? GP means ratio between any two consecutive terms should be same. Means if I take the ratio between first two terms, here I have R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. Correct? In the same way, A2 is x divided by A1 is minus 2 by 7, which is equal to A3 is minus 7 by 2 divided by A2 is x. Ratio should be same because these are in GP. You cross multiply, x square is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. 7 get cancelled, 2 also get cancelled, minus becomes plus, x square is equal to plus 1 I have here. But x square is there, it should have two roots. For that what we do, what are the possibilities here? This x square is equal to, this can be written as plus or minus 1 whole square. X square is equal to plus or minus 1 whole square. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 1 is the answer. We need to find out the value of x here, not x square. Value of x can be plus 1 or minus 1. So, plus 1 and minus 1 are the values which makes this minus 2 by 7 x and minus 7 by 2 in GP. That is about problem number 6. Now problem number 7, that is, find the sum to indicated number of terms. Problem number 7, find the sum to indicated number of terms. Means here up to problem number 7 to 10 we need to follow that. Otherwise, find the sum of 20 terms of the GP. I am rewriting this question. Rewriting it. Of the GP given is 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015, so on. Question says, find sum of 20 terms. Means S20 is equal to question mark here. S20 is equal to question mark. S20 n is equal to 20. That is directly given to us. A and R I need to calculate. A is equal to first term, that is 0.15. And what about the R? R is common ratio, A2 by A1. A2 is 0.015 divided by 0.15. Now, here what I will do to simplify this, I will try to shift this decimal point 3 points to the right hand side. Mean 3 places to the right hand side. For that, I will multiply by 1000 and divided by 1000. Nothing wrong. 1000 are going to get cancelled anyhow. 1000 if it multiplies, this becomes 15 and 0.15. Two zeros are used up here. 1 0 will be left out. This is 150. 15 ones are 15 tens are. This is 1 by 10. That is nothing but r is equal to 0.1. Common ratio is a 0.1. We need to calculate S20. For that, use the formula using Sn is equal to A into r value is less than 1 here. So use the formula 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Sn is equal to A value you substitute 0.15 into 1 minus of r value is 0.1 whole to the power of n. N also we can substitute. N is 20 divided by 1 minus r. 1 minus 0.1. 0.15 into 1 minus 0.1 to the power of 20 divided by 1 minus 0.1 is nothing but 0.9. We can simplify this. This one you keep it as it is. Further we can't edit. 0.15 by 0.9 we can simplify. I will simplify it here separately. 0.15 by 0.9. See, this decimal point I want to shift 2 places right side. For that, 0.15 divided by 0.9, you multiply with 100 and divide by 100. If you multiply, this becomes 15 and 0.9 into 100 becomes 90. 15 ones are 15, 6 are 90. Okay. This becomes 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 to the power of 20. So this is the S20. Sum of first 20 terms. That is about problem number 7. Now go to the problem number 8. Problem number 8. Find the sum of n terms of the GP root 7, root 21, 3 into root 7, so on. Find the sum of n terms is the question. Means Sn is equal to, we have to calculate. Sn is equal to question mark here. With this GP I can write first term A is equal to root 7 and the common ratio R is equal to root 21 by root 7 because A2 by A1. Root 21 can be written as 7 into root 3. 7 into 3 by root 7 is nothing but root 7 into root 3 divided by root 7. Root 7 get cancelled. Root 3. R is equal to root 3. A is equal to root 7. Okay, going with the Sn formula. Using Sn is equal to A into, here you see root 3. Root 3 value is 1.7 something. 1.73 I think. So that is more than 1. R is greater than 1 here. R is greater than 1. So we will use the formula for Sn as Sn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Sn we need to calculate. A value substitute root 7 into R is root 3 whole to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 means root 3 minus 1. You can leave it here or we can rationalize the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of the root 3 minus 1? It is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Multiplying with root 3 plus 1 and dividing with root 3 plus 1. Sn is equal to, numerator will be root 7 into root 3 plus 1 into This can be written as 3 to the power of n by 2 also if you want, minus 1 divided by denominators you observe. It is like a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula for a minus b into a plus b? That is a square minus b square. A square root 3 square minus b square 1 square. Root 7 into root 3 plus 1 into 3 to the power of n by 2 minus 1 divided by root 3 square. Square root get cancelled. 3 minus 1 means 2. So Sn is equal to, this is the answer, root 7 into root 3 plus 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2. That is about problem number 8. Problem number 9 we are going to solve. Again same thing. Find the sum of n terms of the GP. GP given is 1 comma minus a square minus a cube, so on. Easy problems these are all. Find the sum of n terms. Sn is equal to question mark here, a is equal to 1, r is equal to minus a by 1 is nothing but minus a. Here we should not get confused with this and this. A is first term here, a1 is equal to I can take, and r is equal to minus a. Fine. Using the formula, r is equal to minus a, r it is not the numerical value, hence you use the formula Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Sn is equal to a is 1, a in the sense here a1 into 1 minus of r value is minus a whole to the power of n whole divided by 1 minus of r is minus a. Sn is equal to 1 minus of minus a to the power of n divided by minus minus plus 1 plus a. Sn is equal to, you need to leave it here only. That is about problem number 9. Now problem number 10. Problem number 10. Find the sum of n terms of the GP x cube comma x square comma x7, so on. They are saying this is in GP and find out Sn. Sn is equal to question mark here. A is first term, that is x raised to 3. R is common ratio, x raised to 5 by x raised to 3. X is 5 times, here x is 3 times. 3 times you cancel the x. R is equal to x square we are getting. Okay, use the formula using Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r is to n by 1 minus r. Sn only we need to calculate. A value substitute, that is x cube into 1 minus r value is x square whole to the power of n divided by 1 minus x square. X cube into 1 minus r. This is like a raised to m whole raised to n. A raised to m whole raised to n formula is a raised to m into n. Means this is x raised to 2n divided by 1 minus x square. You can leave it here. So that is sum of n terms of the geometric progression x cube, x raised to 5, x raised to 7. So that is about problem number 10. Now we will go to the next problem, that is problem number 11. Problem number 11 is that evaluate summation of 2 plus 3 raised to k, where k varies from 1 to 11. This is called a symbol is called a sigma, Greek letter sigma. We used to pronounce it as summation here. What does it mean summation? I will tell you first of all. Suppose we have summation of k square where k varies from 1 to 4. What does it mean? It means that k is taking the values from 1 to 4. When k is equal to 1, it is 1 square. When k is equal to, next we have to put the plus here. 2 means 2 square, 3 square up to 4 square. This is the meaning of this summation. So, here it is given summation of 2 plus 3 raised to k where k varies from 1 to 11. It means that k is taking the values from 1 to 11. When k is equal to 1, it is 2 plus 3 raised to 1 plus half. Next, when k is equal to 2, it is 2 plus 3 raised to 2. When k is equal to 3, it is 2 plus 3 raised to 3 and so on. Last value is 11. Means it is 2 plus 3 raised to 11. See how many terms I have like this total. Total I have 11 terms here. 2 plus 3 raised to 1. Taking this as one term. This is second term. 11 terms are there. In all these 11 terms, 2 is there. So 2 is getting added 11 times. I can write here 2 into 11 plus of. Now going to the second terms here. 3 raised to 1 plus 3 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 3 so on up to 3 raised to 11. This is a 22. We will keep this as it is. And what about this? This is in geometric progression we can observe. This is in GP with first term A is equal to 3 and common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1. R is equal to A2 is 3 square by 3. 1 time 3 get cancels. Common ratio R is equal to 3 I all know. Okay. For that, for this one, I will use the formula using Sn is equal to R value is more than 1. Hence use the formula A into R is to n minus 1 by R minus 1. Now summation of 2 plus 3 raised to k where k varies from 1 to 11 is equal to 2 into 11 22. This is outside. We keep this as it is. Now Sn is equal to formula A means first term 3 into R means 3. 3 raised to n. How many terms are there? 11 terms are there. 3 raised to 11 minus 1 by R minus 1 means 3 minus 1. 22 plus 3 by 2 into 3 raised to 11 minus 1. 3 raised to 11, it is a very big number, so better not to calculate that. We keep it here only. Summation of 2 plus 3 raised to k where k varies from 1 to 11. Answer is this much. Thank you.